guys, welcome back to my channel Science Fusion. Hope you're doing well. Stay happy, stay safe. So today I'm going to start a video with a review. You have all requested me to do a review for a Good Vibes product, that is pomegranate toner. It's a very much common product these days. You have all known about Good Vibes, that is cruelty free, it is alcohol free, paraben free and sulfate free. So this is a good product and it's an Indian product, and Good Vibes is totally safe for your skin because it's cruelty free, it's non-comedogenic, and it's free from animal testing, and it doesn't consist of any harmful chemicals or parabens, alcohol and sulfate. So I think it's a good product and it's from a good brand, that is Good Vibes. Let's start the video. So coming to its packaging, it comes in a plastic bottle. You can see this, guys. It comes in a plastic bottle and it has a flip cap which is also a plasticky cap, and it has a spray like this. It gives you a very much oh my god, it's so good. So it has a golden you can see this, it's a golden cap it has, and it has a dark colored jar which is a plastic bottle, and the ingredients list, I don't know whether you can see this, guys. The all ingredients are written in the back of the bottle, and here it is mentioned that it is it is free from alcohol, paraben and sulfates. So it's totally safe for your skin, and it doesn't have any harmful chemicals in it, and then you are getting 120 ml of product in 195. So coming to the ingredients, it is mentioned here that it has purified water, propylene glycol, glycerine, betaine, glycolic acid, and pomegranate extract, citrus extract, dulcis fruit extract, hibiscus extract, and polysorbate 20, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, and Europea leaf extract, argan oil, and rosa canina oil, and color perfume. So it's very simple ingredient. So by checking those ingredients list, I am using this product more than 1 month. You can get good results by using those methods which I'm going to tell you. So don't go anywhere else, just stay tuned and you have to watch my video till the end. Not using any makeup, I'm not using any highlighter in my skin, it's my natural glow, because I have used this toner into my skin. I have used a light moisturizer before getting ready, and I have prepped my skin with light moisturizer, and I have washed my skin with a mild face wash. I'm going to tell you everything so that you can do a better skincare in night or day every time. If you want to know my skincare routine, and if you want to know any other product review regarding any other product review, then do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you guys get notified shortly. So you have to subscribe into my channel and stay tuned. So coming to this product, pomegranate, as you all know that pomegranate is helps in good blood circulation, and so the pomegranate extracts that removes makeup and impurities, and gives you a clean and clear skin, smooth skin and radiant skin. So the toner leaves the skin very much making it very much soft and silky and smooth and firm. It makes your skin so much firm and gives you a radiant glow. So its shelf life is for 2 years, and you have to keep it in a cool and dark place. So I'm going to tell you how to use the product written here. So how to use. Here written that take some good amount of good vibes from pomegranate toner on a cotton pad and dab it on your face and neck. Use it twice daily for best results. To wash your face with a mild face wash, you can use anything. You can go for simple face wash, you can go for MCaffeine face wash, you can go for Nivea, everything you want to use. Just wash your face with mild face wash, then take steam. The pores will be opened up, and then use a mask. Just use a mask. If you can use a mask 2 to 3 days interval, then it will be very good for your skin. And because mask, what it does, a mask cleans your pores very deeply, and it gives you nourishment, hydration, everything. If your skin is clean, your skin is radiant and vibrant. So you have to always clean your face and make it clean and clear. So then you will not face any blackheads or whiteheads problems, acne, pimple, everything. Then after steaming, use a mask, and then after washing it off with a warm towel, clean your face and just use this toner. Take it in a cotton pad. I naturally don't use cotton pads because it cotton pad absorbs this toner very much. So I spit some toner all over my face and neck and just dab it with my fingertips, and then it's all done. It will be very much glowing and radiant. So guys, this is all for today. If you guys have any recommendation or you want any review regarding like this products or any other products, then you can easily let me know in the comment section below. The product description will be mentioned in the description box, and don't forget to share with all of you guys, with your loving members or any family members or anyone else. Don't forget to subscribe into my channel. Those who are new to my channel, welcome all of you, and please stay tuned for more videos like this. And please subscribe into my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that every time I upload a new video, you will guys get notified. See you in the next video. Bye.